we're in Delhi, in the bridge shop, and behind me is the concrete break room. This is where we take our concrete test specimens that we form in the field before concrete is poured. This is where we bring it back to do all the compression testing on it. We test it at 7 days, 14 days, and 28 days to see if it comes up to the designed concrete strength. We'll design like a 5,000 pound concrete if we need a 4,000 PSI concrete. Very rarely do we actually come across concrete that's bad. These are what we're actually gonna be breaking today. And the mold's been removed and we've put caps on the top and bottom. What we use for a cap is a sulfur cap, and this is our melting pot. It melts the sulfur compound that we use to make our caps. This is where we cure our concrete test specimens. This is our compressor machine, and what we'll do is we'll take the test specimens after they've been molded, place them in this machine, and load them until ultimate failure, until they're completely broken. And that's how we come up with our compressive strength for the concrete. Turn on our machine. We advance it until it makes contact with the test specimen. And then we apply load at a metered rate until ultimate failure. So far we're at 75,000 pounds. And now that we know that the concrete's good, we can go ahead and place our steel, and we know that it'll be able to support the steel that we're erecting.